no need jokes, alright? Don't take me serious. I'm getting off the next stop. My name is not Batman. Train man. Keep all the personal belongings and packages in your sight at all times. Protect yourself. If you see a suspicious baggage like mine or activity on the platform or train, do not keep that to yourself. What should you do? Tell a police officer, MTA employee, or tell me. It might be a bag of money or a bag of medical, haze, beef, sour, diesel, purple, chocolate, mango, Arizona, Hawaiian, chronic, bud, white beetle, pineapple, mushroom, Mexican, Puerto Rican, Jamaican, granddaddy, Chinese, Trinidadian, black beetle, white beetle, kush kush, AK-47, blue cheese, watermelon. Listen, AK-47 is the name of an automatic gun. Can you imagine smoking something named after a gun? You will be smacked. Toe up. I want all you ladies to know I am single and I'm looking to mingle. I said ladies, not ladies and gentlemen. Let's clear that up right away before I get off. Fellas, I said ladies only.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient.
East, right? East, right? Well, East. All y'all look alike. Serious. That's why I know it's East African people. I call good people. I'm here loud. I said, ladies, I'm single. Fellas, if you are gay, don't worry about nobody. Don't care if they laugh at you. Don't care what they think about you. If you like being gay, we all make choices. Continue being gay, because my best friend is gay. I ain't mad at no man being gay, but I'm making it clear. If you like being gay, don't worry. Do you. You're not going to do me. I'm sorry. I eat sushi. That's right, I'm a lesbian. Sushi is fish, okay? There's kids on the train. Anybody else care to help? I take
Ladies
pickles.
and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient.
Mr. Bay? Anybody else care to help? Nickel, dollar, dimes, or pennies? God damn, I took the wrong train. Thank you, God bless. Your English? Don't worry, you don't speak English.